Greetings. This is CFC pitch for Dangote Industries Group Enhanced Cooperation in accelerated decarbonization business application of carbon capture and storage technologies and nature-based ecosystem regeneration solution strategy to catalyze and lead Nigeria net zero transition, 2060 target alignment, and green, social, and sustainability financial and investment capital flows into Nigeria's new economy for balanced, sustainable, and all-inclusive prosperous growth. My name is Enitan Sanusi, Managing Director and CEO, Climate Friendlies Capital Management Company Limited. Dangote Industries Group is one of the biggest industrial conglomerates in Nigeria and Africa. The flagship companies are Dangote Cement PLC with production capacity of 51.6 million tons per annum across 10 countries in sub-Saharan Africa. Dangote Sugar Refinery PLC with goal to produce 1.5 million tons of refined sugar annually. Dangote Salt Refinery with its stock capacity of 800 metric tons per day. Dangote Fertilizer Company with prospect of being Africa's largest granulated urea manufacturing facility of 2.8 metric million tons per annum, and is soon to be completed Dangote Oil Refinery Company Limited with integrated crude oil and petrochemical plant of 650,000 barrels per day capacity. Dangote Industrial and Energy Operations have the potential of generating 41 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions, owing to high dependence on fossil energy consumption and heavy carbon-intensive production processes. According to Dangote Cement 2021 report, total energy consumption was 101,355,280 gigajoules, of which natural gas, coal, and diesel sources constitute 96%. Total direct carbon dioxide emission total 18,884,221 tons. It is imperative for Dangote Industry Group to adopt two-pronged response of technology and nature-based decarbonization solutions in the fight against climate change and global warming in a 2050 1.5 degrees Celsius net zero emissions world. The CFC Carbon Abatement Enhanced Cooperation Peace seeks to establish strategic collaboration with Dangote Industries Group alongside our partners to establish strategic collaboration for increased capital investment in direct carbon capture and storage hub plants and carbon-absorbing mangrove trees plantation, carbon sink afforestation, and ecosystem regeneration projects. Accelerated growth of Dangote Industry Group and new Nigeria economy are intricately linked to green, social, and sustainability future in advancing and driving technological innovation and sustainable finance and investment capital flows for carbon neutral industry and energy system opportunities. On global stage and scale, we look forward to engagement with Dangote Industries Group. Thank you.